as an administration.
An administrative position.
It's a political head. They were looking for a political head. How do we amalgamate all these many principalities into one? And I have loved the writings of Professor Oweiga Afunadula.
Oeruka.
Oidi Professor Afunadula yatwala almost edakika 3 kali kuntu somesa linali. Benasooka okumu interviewing very many years ago. Namwetanga Oweiyaga. That's how I used to read the country. Oweiyaga, Eyeyaga. Yakati no. Repeat after me. Oweiga. Naye gerinali. Professor Afunadula akalira awandikanga ebintu over time. Ne wano bwe yawandise. Okugezaako okutera ebintu bino ebindi mu perspective. Therefore, nga bw'okobye abasoga ensobi gye bakola n'okulooza nti obwakyabazinga bwaibwe bufaanana ni Buganda, bufaanana ni Toro, bufaanana ni Bunyoro. That's never there.
Ali uliko nti eba mistake omuntu okuvaayo akanti Buganda erikola kino akife tukoze kino
muyinza okukyogeraye enfaanana yaife. You understand? We are not that culture institution. Our culture is individual. We are eri kigulu eyange eri Bulamoji bwe tutuuka e Bulamoji for example n'olanga kati iwe wako ezadda kubuuza ati oyo wako wa kikaaki bamanya nti muki
mulangira
aye ate bw'omwetera e Bugembe bayinza obutakitegeera amayina ga wako ga Wambuzi ga Kuunya gali waife tigakola Bugiri tigakola Mayuge because that's now a different principality yebona okitegeere yona eri agakolayo abalangira b'ekamuli ba Diwume ba Mawerere ba Kagoda kabiri ago ga abalangira beeyo tigakola waife
ekigulu ba Mudoola
n'abalangira
ba Mudoola Bayizimba.
You understand? Yes. Those are the names. Batibatemwa. So those are the names. So obonanga amayina ago tigali cross cutting nti buli wantu ng'Omuganda bwaka nti ole bwaba Walusimbi. Okisege kali obanga maama wange Namukwaya bwaba Namukwaya e Buddu, Namukwaya e Busiro, Namukwaya e Bulemezi, Namukwaya e Kyaddondo, Namukwaya everywhere. It is the same thing. Ebi alifetibwe.
Mtu babiri. Kuba Kabaale ekigulu abamulangira. Muwumba ekigulu abamulangira.
Muwumba abamulangira.
Ti muntu wa buli
basi. Kabiri ife Bulamoji. Bw'owulira kebeeta Muwumba aba Mwiseigaga. Omuwumbe wa Isu aba Mwiseigaga era aba Koiza wange. Eriyo Sipiriani Muwumba Mukidi. Eriyo Muwumba gwe twakaliika aba Mukidi. Ndozo bitegere. So we are not a kingdom that was organized with those universal standards. Nti bw'owulira kino kitegeeza kino.
Universal set yefe nzibwino wanerusoga.
Nzibwino. Kyova obona esumbuwa buli muntu okutegeera n'abali mu buyinza y'abasumbuwa. So bino byetuli mu byoli kubona olwaleero biri bimu kubiva mu ekyo. Nti n'abaana byabufuzi abeesuula mu kintu bakiringira bayenda kyebisenga cultural institution ebyobuwangwa aye ate bo bwe bajja benda bagikozesenga political mobilization ey'ebyobufuzi bwe bimala okubatabuka ku byabayiika ku memory kabiri bayida balajanira omuki muife era abaganda kanti eryokanga n'etonya ne tulaba ensiisira ezirina emyoyo. Ebigambo bya Right Honorable Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga bikulu
wanje
bikulu era ndikwenda tubitwale nga kikulu this time round tisemba kubi dismissinga
babidisimisinga ku
ebisooka twabidisimisinga raising ensonga 3 endo notingi lete kuofunira kwansi
lwaki timu abantu bamuwulire kumali